Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add table in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see add element. So click on it. So we are going to add table and then you see search. So click on it. Now write a table. And then you see display content from a collection by adding a table to your site. So click on it and then you see to add a table to your site, first add the CMS, get started. Sometime CMS open or sometime not. On left side you see add element. So click on it and then you see CMS. So click on it and then you see use the CMS, add to site. So click on it. Now adding CMS. So you can choose a preset or customize. So click on add to site. Now creating pages, again click on add element, go to list and then you see tables and then you see multiple layout. So you can select according to requirement. So we select this. Now you see table is added. Now click on it and then you can set table position like this. So you can drag and drop. Without CMS you don't see tables in list. On left side you see add element, first add CMS and after that in list you see tables. Now you see multiple layout. Now click on it and then you see manage table, kids name, field name, age, pickup time, allergies, you see adding. So we are going to edit it. Click on it, edit label. Now we are going to remove as, done. Now you see table adding change and then you see manage table message. To add content, connect the table to your CMS. Now click on learn how. Now you see pop up help center manage table. How do I connect this table to my CMS collection? Now you see click the connect to CMS icon. So if you want you can read this instruction. Now close and then you see connect to CMS. So click on it and then you see connect table dataset. Choose a dataset, drop down you see multiple option, dynamic page dataset item. So we are going to add a dataset. So click on it. Now create dataset and then you see the dataset connect a collection, connect to site, choose a collection or create collection. So click on it and then you see multiple option, create with AI, start from scratch, import from CSV. Now click on start from scratch, manually add field and content to your collection. So click on it and then next. What's the name of your collection? Web task, single item, multiple item, default, create. Now you see CMS web task, you see multiple option, add field. Now you see text, rich text, tag. Now select text, choose field type, name and then click on save. Name added, again click on add field, text, age, save. So you can add many field according to requirement. Again click on add field, text, city, click on save. Now you see name, age, city. If you want you can add more field and then click on add item, Hassan. Now you see title Hassan, Shah, age, city, click on save. If you want you can edit it. Now you see title, so you can add according to requirement field name. Now close, add more item, web, click on open. Now you see 20 Pakistan and then click on save. So you can add more field and you can add item in the field according to requirement. Now you see we have 2 row. Also you see add item. So click on it. From here you can add data directly. Now you see. Now cancel. Now close. Now we have web task dataset. Now you see. Now create. Now we choose dataset, web task. So when we select web task data set, now you see title, name, age, city, and then you see text. We added web Hassan, name, age, city. Now click on design, and then you see different layout. If you want, you can customize design, so it's up to you. Now you see we added content in our table by using CMS Connect, and we create data set and then select data set. Now if we want to add more content in our table, on left side you see CMS, so click on it, and then you see your collection, so again click on it. Your collection, you see multiple option, web task we created, so click on it. If you want, you can create more collection. Now you see, so you can add more field, add item. So we added some content, so click on save. Now you see, if we want to add more fields, so click on it. Now select, choose field type, website, and then click on save. So we added one more column. Now close. Now you see web task, again close. Now you see more data added. So this is a new data, but you don't see new column. Again click on CMS, your collection, click on it. So we are going to add more data, and then click on it. Now you see saving, all changes saved. Now close, again close it. So on right side you see connectable data set setting, and then you see connection. Now expand it. You see all column, we have age, name, city, and then you see add column, so click on it. Now pop-up open, and then select website. So this is a new column. Now add column. Now you see new column is added in our table. So just click on add column, and then your new column show, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to website page. So this is our link. Now refresh the page. So this is our table, title, name, age, city, website, and then you see content. So in this way you can add table in Wix website. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.